Hey guys, it's Ivy and we're in CVS doing some cheap deals. You saw the thumbnail, guys. Cereal, 48 cents. So let's get to the Aveeno right here. It is buy one, get one 50% off. You will earn a $5 register reward when you buy two. So we're going to pick up those two and let's scan them as usual. Now this barely works for me. Watch this, guys. No. But if I scan the item itself, it works. So they're $10.29. Buy one, get one 50% off. So I have a couple of coupons going on here. I have one for $3 off of 10 of Aveeno, and then I have a $2 off. When you see that green, that means I claimed it. If you see that blue, it means I need to claim it. Then I have a couple of cents, 18. I'm going to use every one of those, guys, okay? So let's go 10.29, divide that by 2, $5.14 plus 10.29 equals 15.43. We're going to take that $3 off of 10 because we made that threshold of $10. And then we're going to take that $2 off of the Aveeno period. So 3. And then we're going to take 2 off. Leave us at 10.43. Now, when I pay for this, I will receive a $5 extra care buck. Leaves us at $5.43 divided by 2, $2.71. Those are $2.71, guys. Fantastic, especially with this weather. Now, this is an honorable mention because they don't have it. The gold bond is $7.99. Buy two, you get a $10 extra care buck back. Again, you have to scan the product. So now let's go over to the body wash, guys. If you go over to the Axe, it's $6.59. You get a $3 register reward. Extra care buck on two, guys. I'm so sorry. So again, with me, I need to scan the product. So $6.29, $5 off of 2X. That plus sign means I need to claim that coupon. It needs to be a green check. Okay, so let's do the math. 6.59 times 2 is 13.18. Take that $5 off to leave you at $8.18. Once you get paid, you'll print out that $3 extra care buck will be $5.18 or $2.59 each, guys. So $2.59, we're on a roll right here because so far we're collecting up $8 in extra care bucks. Now, the Irish Spring is also on sale for $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. Then you get a $4 extra care buck when you buy two. Okay? So here we go. We're going to scan that. $6.99. $2 off of one Irish Spring. I need to tap that plus sign, guys. Beginners, listen up. Claim your coupon. $6.99 divided by 2 is $3.49. So we're going to pay $10.48. Take that $2 off of the $10.48. Leave you at $8.49. Now, once I receive my $4 extra care buck or reward, I'm going to pay $4.48 divided by 224. Okay, so I'm going to pay $224. So I'm going to take the Aveeno, apply it to the Irish Spring, the $5 Aveeno, apply it to the Irish Spring, take the $4 from the Irish Spring and apply it to the Axe, okay? Now, these is Good Lines. It's a little company, but all of it's on clearance, 75% off. These are for boys, and I have 3 teenagers, guys, and all of them is suffering right now with acne, even my 11-year-old. So I'm going to pick up all of these right here. They have a nice clearance throughout the entire store. That's the thing. You're going to see me pick up some more clearance items throughout this. So I want to show you the Gillette, guys. The Gillette is buy one, get one 50% off. You get a $3 extra care reward off two. So it's $3.59. It's no coupons. All right. I thought that was one, but it is not. So we're going to go $3.59 divided by 2, $1.79. So you'll add those two together, make $5.38. Now, once they give you that $3 extra care reward, you'll be paying $2.38 or $1.19 each. If you need shaved cream, honorable mention. Now this is Right Guard spray, guys. Usually $6.99. It's on sale 50% off for $3.49. So I did pick up all three. Even if it's a clearance, guys, scan it to see if you have any coupons with it, okay? I usually do that. And I can use any of my extra care bucks and apply it. Now here is some more of the Harry's. Now this is face toner for $2.29. And it is a cleanser. My boys, Lord Jesus. $8.99. It's no coupons for that Harry's. Then we're going to come over here. We're at the styling products. Look at that, 75% off. If you guys can find some styling products in CVS, that's a great deal. All over here they have them. Hairspray, hair coloring, all of that's 50% off. Look, now the baby tooth gel, I do need to get that. Remember, I have a non-profit, guys. They come in and they need everything, or they request those. So that's why you see me pick up things that you think is random. So I did scan it. No, they're $1.79. In the app, it's showing us $3. Now let's get to the Palmolive. The Palmolive was originally $4.39. It's on sale for $2.79. Woohoo, we have a deal. $1 off coupon. Tap that. Okay. Now the Ajax, I thought we had a coupon for. We do not have a coupon for, which I was surprised I didn't have one. Nope, no coupon. If so, it didn't pop up for me as of yet. Now, they do have some buy one, get one's 50% off. Now, a couple of weeks ago, these were buy one, get one free. I hope you guys took advantage of that deal, because this deal, it'll be good if you could apply anything to it. Now, the Fabuloso is $4.99 originally. Buy one, get one, 50% off. You get a $2 extra care reward when you pay for your items. So there you go, $4.99. Divided by 2, $2.49, $7.78. Once you get your $2 back, there you go, $2.74 each, guys. See this? Wow, that's the Buana dry mop. It's originally $19.99. I paid $9.98 for it. I need that for my coupon, for my salon. Now here is the Welchers juices for $1.61. You know, I'm a firm believer of don't gatekeep. Either go to Dollar General or Dollar Tree for those. Now here, this is a bar juice. That's good. Now here, look, guys, I really got this for my granddaughter. General Mills cereal, they're on sale for $1.99. But look, it's Angel Reese in Illinois for us. And we do have a deal, $1 off of 2. So let's do that. $1.99 times 2. Take your $1 off, leave your $2.98 or $1.49 each. But I'm going to show you how to get that down lower. Beginners. Stay to the end because we're going to get that lower, okay? So we did pick that up. And this is like, guys, how my cart is looking right now. It's loaded with stuff. That's that mop. A dry mop for the salon. Fabuloso. And then those were buy one, get one 50% off. So it's tons. Now, that's the moisturizer I didn't show you for the Harry's. All of it's great. Let's get to some receipts. Okay, guys. So this is my low cost from CVS that I picked up. So let's look at it right here. The Fabuloso was $2.32. And then it was buy one, get one 50% off. Okay. I used a $4 coupon from my Irish Spring. Applied that $3.48 before taxes. They were one, so these were $1.74 each. Then I got these beautiful cereal for my granddaughter, even though she's allergic to peanut butter. This is her idol, and she is a basketball player. My granddaughter is. So here we go right here. The Reese's were $7.59 originally, then they went to $1.50, and then they were $1.99 each. I had a $1 manufacturer coupon, and then I used a $2 coupon from the Fabuloso. applied that, and they were 98 cents before taxes, okay? So let's go 98 divided by 2. 49 cents each. So these were 49 cents a box, guys. Beginners, these are some great deals for you to start doing. If you are okay with me doing these small deals, showing you some of the deals, then let me know so I can drop more. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.